Hello there, in this tutorial, we will demonstrate how to create an account with Server Monitor. Once you have reached our website, click on the Register button. Fill out your email address, your preferred username, and your password. Now, check your email address for your verification code. And fill the code into the form to finalize the creation of your account. To log in with your details, head over to the login page and fill in either your email address or username along with your password. You have now created a Server Monitor account.